beautifuls, welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. I am unboxing today my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. This is the bag in question right here. As you can see, we have a cute little bag this month that has a bunch of little stars and circles on it. And this is sort of like a champagne looking peachy color or something here of the bag, but the bag is very cute, and I can't wait to see what's inside. If you're not familiar with IPSY, IPSY is a subscription that offers 3 different subscriptions that you can choose from. This is the second subscription here for the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month. With this subscription for the Glam Bag Plus, you're going to receive 5 full-size products within the skincare and beauty, and they're going to have a range of at least $130 for the total value of the bag that you receive. If you're interested in signing up, go to IPSY.com and you can choose whatever subscription you would like, or all 3 of them, whichever you prefer. I actually just have just 2, so this and the Glam Bag X is the ones that I generally get. So let's get into this, but if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to my channel. I do many different subscription unboxings as well as hauls. I do post weekly. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my latest unboxings. But for now, let's get into this bag and see what's in here. So I always get excited to get my little IPSYs, but let's see what's in this bag this month. So the first thing I'm pulling out is I have a super hydrolonic 100 amino acid cleaner. Now this is made by the company Seraphine. This is the first time that I will actually be getting a product from them. I've never heard of them before. I do like to try out different products, so I can't wait to see how this product performs. So guys, if you're not familiar with this product, this will be my first time actually trying out this particular brand and product line. This product is supposed to be an ultra hydrating, barrier balancing, zero irritation. This cleanser uses a unique combination of hyaluronic acid and molecules and amino acids to gently remove makeup, dirt, and buildup. So basically, you know, you just use it with a little bit of water, get a lather, rub it on your face. This product actually has a $20 value based on what my IPSY email is telling me. So I can't wait to try this one out. If you guys have used this before, I would love to know how this product worked for you, since it's a brand new product to me. So let's go on to our next product here. The next thing I'm pulling out is I have a Seraphine Botanicals product. So I am familiar with them. This is the Lemon Balm and Thyme Nourishing Lip Scrub. Oh, I love a good lip scrub. So guys, this product is a vegan lip scrub and it's formulated with exfoliating golden sugars and conditioning base of rice bran, jojoba, and rosehip oils to gently polish away dull, flaky skin, leaving behind healthier and smoother looking lips. So guys, this product has a $26 value. Ooh, that's a little pricey for a lip scrub for me. Let's see. I want to show you guys what it looks like outside the packaging. So here we go. So it just pulls up like this, and it's just a tube like this. So that's interesting the way they packaged it. I wasn't sure what I was expecting, but this is how it comes, and this is neat. I always could use a good lip scrub in the winter when our skin is a bit more drier anyway, so I can't wait to try this one out. I have used this brand before, so I'll be happy to try out this product for the lip scrub, so I can't wait to try that one out. So our next product, guys, is the Cake Exfoliate. Now, I did pick this as one of my choices for the bag, and this is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I have tried many Kate Somerville products, and I am very pleased with her products. This particular one here, this is a moisturizer, a glow moisturizer is what they're calling it. It's the ultimate fix for dull, lackluster skin. The Magic, a combo of exfoliators like glycolic acid, lactic acid, and fruit enzymes that help shed dead skin cells, and hydrating hyaluronic acid to help increase the moisture levels. So guys, this has a $70 value. Wow. All her stuff is a bit pricey though, but it works very well. But her stuff is pricey, so wow. So this is how it looks outside of its packaging. So let's go on to our next product. Let's see what else is in here. So I also have a eye cream. So guys, we have an eye cream next by Malaprenum. This is with quinoa and vitamin C. And it's a small tube. You know, most of these eye creams come in small tubes anyway. You're only going to use like a dot for both eyes anyway, just to go around your eyes. But according to IPSY, Malaprenum eye cream, this eye cream does way more than help calm puffiness and fade dark circles. It's made with a nutrient-rich blend of quinoa extract, vitamin C, and colloidal oats to help hydrate, brighten, and protect under your eyes. So this has a $39 value. Wow. I can't wait to try it. I'm not that familiar with the brand, but I'm always looking to try out eye creams because sometimes some don't work for you. So you have to kind of find out which ones kind of work for your skin. So I can't wait to try it out. So guys, I did peek in here because I wanted to see what makeup was in here to see if I could kind of incorporate it with my look today. And the Shayna B palette is in here. This is the Miami Nights palette. So I did go ahead and do my eye look with her palette, just to give you guys an idea of what the colors look like on your eyelids. So guys, the Shayna B Miami Nights palette is a pressed pigment palette, and I think the red, like the colors really came out really bright on me too. So you guys, I'm closing my eyes so you can see. This palette is a balance of subtle neutrals and bright pops of color that allow you to play safe or to go all out depending on your mood. So you know me. I had to go all out. So on the back, it does show you the colors that's inside, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up so I can show you guys. I thought this was a nice palette, and it's correct. You can play it up or play it down. It does come with a mirror, guys, but I'm going to close it just so I can show you the actual palette and without the ring light actually bouncing off of it. So this is the colors here. I think they're really great colors. So for my look today, I used this as my base. And then I finished off with this color here. So the first color I used was the Vino. And then I finished off with the Lincoln Red to create my eye look for today. And I really like my eye look for today. It is popping. It's bright though. It is bright though. But you can really do like everyday looks with this palette, or just, you know, go all out if you're going out for the night, like with this glitter. I can't wait to really try that one. That'll be fun to try. But I thought this was a really nice palette, and I am very excited to have it, and I can't wait to see what other great looks I can complete with this palette. So this palette, guys, has a value of $20, which is very reasonable. So guys, let me know what you think about my bag for the month. This bag was basically skincare heavy. I only have the one makeup item. Everything else is skincare related, like with the moisturizer here, the cleanser, the eye cream, and we have the lip mask. So guys, let me know what you thought about my bag for this month. Very skincare heavy. It was okay bag, just very skincare heavy. I would have liked to have at least another makeup product, but I didn't. So I have a skincare heavy bag. I did get some great products in there, a lot of new stuff for me to try out, so I'm pretty happy about that part. But let me know in the comments what you thought about my bag. Is there some products in here that you've already tried out that you can give me some tips on, or is there some products in here that you just didn't even like? So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought. Until next time, guys, stay warm, stay blessed, stay at peace, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!